Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, right now we want to discuss about replication. So let's introduce ourselves first. My name is Alina Najwa binti Abdul Muttalib. My matrix number is 205220.
My name is Afif Shafi'i bin Muhammad Puzi, number matric 205784.
My name is Ahmadina Benzali and my matric number is 207138.
My name is Alia Farzan binti Muhammad Farouk and my matrix number is 208218.
My name is Ainu Hanani binti Rozmi and my matrix number is 205428.
Okay, so we want to discuss about this question. Illustrate the replication of the following DNA strand end to end. So who want to share the answer? Or
Do we have to go?
Okay, so I will share my answer. Okay. Okay. So we'll stop share this slide. I will share my answer. Okay. Okay, this is my answer. Because I make this answer, there's two bubble replication bubble because at the DNA strand there's two OEC. So that means that two replication occurs at two sites, at two OEC. So at this replication bubble, there's two opposite direction of replication forks to the left and to the right, and this one also to the left and to the right. The replication will go opposite direction. So that's my answer. Everyone got different answer?
Oh, I got the same answer.
Can I interrupt? May I interrupt?
Yeah.
I did the same answer as yours, but I also put another illustration at below it to show it's the fused replicons.
It's combined, right?
This one.
Oh,
I put that.
so so for this question, we have to illustrate until the end of replication, or we just illustrate like this.
I think we should illustrate like
Like Alia, I did the same. Until it become fused.
So until it become two different strands.
Mm.
Do
Oh.
we need to like label it? Like label the we have to label the ODC and then put an arrow like first DNA A will bind to 9 base pairs, and then the 13 base pairs will denature, and then DNA B will clamp there. Do we need to put the DNA and then the DNA helicase and then the DNA C? Do we need to like label it?
I didn't do that. I just only put the 5', 3', and the lagging end leading strand. I only put that.
I think we have to label, so but not too details, because at the question we have to illustrate. That means that we have to explain briefly.
Yes,
So
I agree.
so my answer should have labeling lah. I don't need to that.
Labeling and another fused replicon at the end. Another because it is end to end.
And I think we should also illustrate until the end of replication, until it get two DNA strands, two new DNA strands when the replication is over. I think lah. What do you think?
I just did until when it's combined, until it become fused replicon. I didn't until it's become two separate strand. I explain it, but
Okay.
didn't illustrate it. I just
Oh,
wrote it in the explanation.
I
The
think
question for the origin only, right? I think until the fuse replicons only, because ORIC only at the initiation part of the replication, not the whole part.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think like
My opinion.
the answer will be like Alia and Shafi, after Shafi.
Yes.
Is that all we
Uh,
going to discuss?
Do we need to show the answer, the last answer, final answer, or do you want to draw it now, Aliana Azwa?
I think I would I would draw good because it will take too long time. So so I think I will conclude by saying that we have to illustrate until it will be and replicon.
The fuse replicon.
How
Or
about
do you want me to share? Or do you want me to share my? I have the picture in my laptop. Do you want me to zoom it?
sure?
Sure.
Right. Can we see now?
Yes.
Yes.
This one is the like short notes.
Same
This
distance.
is the last. And the replication fork you mentioned just now, Aliana Azwa.
I think like this the answer.
But mine only until DNAC. There is like I read it somewhere that there is like a helicase will recruit the DNA primase modified DNA primase, a modified RNA polymer, and then forming the primosome complex, which makes an RNA primer of 5 to 10 nucleotides for the DNA synthesis, and then there is a helical tension is relieved by DNA gyrase topoisomerase. Do we need to include that? I put only until DNAC because in the slide just state until DNAC.
I didn't go that far. I just ended at.
And at DNAC.
I also saw the other processes when searching for the answer, but it sounds too complicated. So I just.
I think what doctor has taught us.
Other.
I want to ask what is mean by end to end at this question.
I think end to end is like it has to origin of replication from one bubble end to the next bubble end. I think because in my explanation I wrote eventually the leading strand of one replication bubble reach the lagging strand of another bubble, and the lag will reach 5N of the previous Okazaki fragment of the same bubble.
Oh.
The 5N reach the 3N of the another bubble. Is that right? That's why.
I think we end to end means like we have to show the exact process. I mean like step by step. Like I think that's the way I have to tell us.
Anyone have anything to add?
No,
No.
I agree.
Okay. Kamal?
Kamal?
No.
Oh,
Okay. So I think that's all good.
that's all.
Thank you.
Okay.